welcome to my channel. Today I will share it to my teacher. Keep on watching.
In this video, I'm sharing all about her daily diet, her food and the drinks that she takes, the recipes and the quantity that shall be served to meet a toddler's calorie needs. Considering my toddler who is 2 years old, her calorie requirements are about 1000 calories per day, and since they have little tummies, it is important that we give them few number of smaller meals rather than 3 large meals. So planning 6 smaller meals of about 150 calories each and a cup of milk during the day will get to the 1000 calorie goal. Please note that these 6 meals would also include 3 snacks and main meals, that is breakfast, lunch and dinner. Now let's see how we can make up for those calories from the food that we can offer. Dairy or milk products are the first important part of their daily diet, and the recommended daily intake for a toddler is about 2 cups per day. Now these 2 cups need not come just from milk alone but also can come from other products like curd, cheese, yogurt, etc. Even 1.5 cups of ice cream will match a cup of milk in terms of calcium requirements, but of course we cannot load their diet with sugar from ice cream on a daily basis. So now here I have a cup of milk, that is 8 ounces, which she drinks through the day. That is, she takes 4 ounces or half a cup in the morning and the other half cup in the evening. So 1 cup of the daily recommended intake is done. She makes up for the other 1 cup mainly from curd, which I give along with her meals. I give her milk mixed with some Bonvita, and you can try offering them their glass and encourage them to drink on their own. On some days it might need a little distraction for them to do this, but making them independent at this stage makes them feel in control of their food and helps in forming a better relationship with food, which is, forever. For breakfast, I'm making some rava upma. Using a little ghee is a good source of fat for little ones and manages the requirements of their fat. Sauteing some onions with cumin seeds and ginger and tomatoes. Also some steamed veggies makes this dish colorful for them to try out. Make sure every dish is as colorful as possible to get enough antioxidants and vitamins for them. Add masala powders and salt for a good flavor and cook it well. Add just enough water and the roasted rava and cook. Roasting some cashews as well, which is flavorful and also power packed with healthy fat and minerals. So that is a very good option to include in their diet after making sure that the little ones are not allergic to any sort of nuts. Half a cup of this upma is about 100 calories, and I serve her with some chopped dates, giving her 2 dates. So together this meal is approximately 150 calories. For a mid-morning snack, today is a banana. For her, sometimes I chop it up or sometimes she eats as such. It just depends on her preference that day. Lunchtime is masoor dal khichdi today. Very healthy for kids, especially with a lot of veggies, potatoes, carrots, beans, green peas. Again, a very colorful meal with good nutrition. Masoor dal again is very rich in protein and fiber. Also iron rich. It's a very good option if you are a vegetarian to get the daily iron requirements. And iron rich foods help babies and kids stay active and energetic. And the zinc content in this recipe is good enough to improve their immunity levels as well. Add all the masala powders that you want to and make it flavorful and give them a well cooked meal. As I had mentioned before, I offer her curd during this time. She loves having the homemade curd and she says it's so yummy and sometimes ends up asking for more. Another suggestion is that if you feel your little one does not drink enough milk, try to make it up for their dairy intake with curd or yogurt or cheese, or just try making into smoothies after adding some fruits to their regular cup of milk. For a reference, 1 cup of yogurt or 1/3 cup of shredded cheese can be considered equivalent to a cup of milk. Regarding their water requirements, about 4 to 5 cups is recommended, but that does not include plain water alone. They get their fluid from milk, juice, etc. So keep them hydrated throughout the day. She likes to drink this from this particular cup with a straw, and so she gets encouraged to drink a little more. Especially in these summers, it becomes very necessary to keep them well hydrated. Then after a nap that she takes in the afternoon, she is fresh and she drinks the other half cup of milk, and then she has some crackers or biscuits. Sometimes I make some homemade snacks, but on other times it might be a cheese and biscuits. So today I'm giving her these Belvita breakfast biscuits. I like this particular breakfast biscuit. It is whole grain, and then she's ready to go out to play in the park. So she gets energized after this snack. This is by far her favorite spot to sit. She loves to eat her snacks there. She loves to look outside the window and eat her snack. So we are spending a lot of time sitting there in the evenings especially. Later, after playing, she freshens up and eats one last snack for the day, and she has been loving it. That is a few apple slices dipped in peanut butter. It's very tasty. If your kids love peanut butter, then this is a must try as a healthy snack. For dinner, I'm preparing some spinach rotis. Very simple, puree the spinach with garlic and little water and garam masala. And make the dough with flour and the spinach puree and water if necessary, and make rotis out of it. I love how this green color looks, and I have made it like parathas. I offer the parathas along with half a cup of curd and some carrots. She enjoys her dinner, and that is how you can meet your kids' calorie requirements. Do check out other kids' recipes to get more ideas on what you can cook for them. I hope you all found this diet chart helpful, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you all later. Take care and bye.